Driving down no horse towns where the church is the backbone, love's in the plow, and the five-string melodies grooving, with the farmland roads where the roots run deep, beyond the noise of the busy streets, where the songs of the South are soothing. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ringing out, I don't run from banjo music. Yeah, the sound of a memory brings me back to the bluegrass playing on my dad's 8-track. His pickup man had been through it, getting through the day on Scruggs and Skaggs, bucking eight bales to those Tennessee jams. There's no other way that I'd do it. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ringing out, I don't run from banjo music. Yeah. Something going backwards and double time, getting at the soul in this drummer low Kentucky style. Those are the anthems drumming out, country boy living. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ringing out, I don't run from banjo music. City life drives me wild. The only tune is the cars rushing by, with the bass on the stereos booming. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ringing out, I don't run from banjo music. Yeah. Something going backwards and double time, getting at the soul in this drummer low Kentucky style. Those are the anthems drumming out, country boy living. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ringing out, I don't run from banjo music. Those are the anthems drumming out, country boy living. When I hear the front porch picking down, home rhythm ride, chicken porch swing, mama's best sweet tea kind of sound, I don't run from banjo music.
My head as high as I can as I struggle through days I don't understand. My heart's been broke, my mind's been bent. I've seen some things I'd sooner forget. I feel so strange with a smiling face. It hurts to admit in so many ways. Whoa, whoa. As I walk outside to face the day, I'm struck by things I can't explain. The cruelty in which we treat these lands. Let's all just stop and give peace a chance. So stop what you're doing.